cracking, y'all? This Daryl, DWES Enterprise. Got a nice one for y'all today. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going down, y'all? This Daryl, DWES Enterprise. Today we out here in Sunnyvale, California. About to do a house clean. Got this kitchen here. The stoves. The oven bad, so I'm gonna see if I can do a self clean on it. This is like the those porcelain coated stoves. Ovens. And it was way past due. We got some scuffs on the floor she wants us to take care of. And then the customer is in the back, so I'll show you guys that later. All right, y'all, so the way we're gonna tackle this, my idea always are to get everything on the floor. So just sweeping the stuff just to get it down, because there's just so much stuff going on. I got these here. You can use a vacuum too. Or you can just do it the way I'm doing it. We're gonna throw it all on the floor, sweep it to one area. It's Sunday. I got Liza with me. We're gonna just kill it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Because we gotta sweep anyway and mop. This may not be how you do it, but this is how DWES does it. Look at the residue on that bad boy. Whew. So yeah, and then we'll sweep, get it out the way. All right, y'all, so like the simplest thing is cleaning this here, the dishwasher. So what I like to do, wipe down these edges. Get up in here. Get the sides. Get the rubber. And then the secondary rubber. And then always down in here is always nasty. So you just wipe it down. Real simple. And then after, I'll show you what we do. Just run it, really. So, take this out. Put it inside. Take this. And then you just run it, y'all. I'm gonna clean the edges up first, but that's pretty much it. It cleans itself. You ain't gotta do nothing else. All right, so I'm gonna put y'all up on some game. So if you have drawers that have the metal glides, they usually have these little, what do you call it, push button here. That takes the drawer out. It's on both sides. All right, so there's all this stuff in there. So I'm gonna just show you what I'm doing. I'm dumping it over there. So now I got all this stuff in there. I already kind of swept the pile of stuff right there. And then you slide it back in, and all you gotta do now is wipe it down. Super easy, y'all. Y'all know what it is. It's DWES for life. And then what I do is I like to spray everything down real quick. Just get a really, I'm not like soaking it, so it's safe. And then I work my way up to the bottom. Now look at homie. Little mosquito. Hopefully he die. And then just wipe down. All right, y'all, so I already did this side here. Still got a couple little things. Kind of hard to see right there. But this side here, or this side here was just like this. So what I'm doing is basically putting my cleaner on it. The oven is hella hot, so I'm using actually a glass cleaner on it so I don't have any caked on residue. Gotta be smart, y'all, when you're out there messing around. So what I do, and just so you know, there's nothing we could do about the white, at least that I know of at the moment. There's nothing I can do about it, put it that way. And basically, you can see some of the black stuff. That's the grease that's caked on. So just scraping at it. Do that all the way around. And we're good. Yeah, see, so you can see a lot of it over here. As long as you keep it wet, play it smart, you'll be good to go. DWES for life, y'all. All right, y'all, so there we go. Again, I said you got that white stuff in the scuffs. That's not gonna come off. That's from the pots being on there and scratching the heck out of this all the time. Got a little piece on there. It's kind of hard sometimes to get everything, but See how there's still a little bit on there? Where are we at? I can't see. Right there. And maybe that's nothing. But for the most part, man, I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so now just cleaning the microwave. It's real quick, man. This stuff's not terrible. I mean, it looked bad when we walked in, just because there's so much stuff all over the place. Like, just everything, man. So, I am using a green pad, but it's not brand new. Yeah, I sprayed the bottom already, just so it can soak. So it's like it's a little used, so it's not gonna scratch anything in here. And then just wipe everything down, man. That's really it. There's nothing to it, y'all. It just take a little time, just like everything. All right, y'all, so on to the next task. The kitchen is complete. Really, if you just look at the bathroom, right, on what you're cleaning three things. The counter with the sink. Never mind. You're cleaning the counter with the sink, the toilet, and the tub. So the nastiest thing is that I'm probably not gonna be able to do anything about that. What happens is you start getting corrosion on there, but I'm gonna see what it is first. And you're cleaning the glass. It's cracking, y'all. It's DWES for life, y'all know that. And then we got one window, two in here, so that's 4 windows we gotta clean. And then this bathroom, that window there. But you can see what we got going on here. I brought a little something extra to help out with this, so let's see if that works. Just a drill brush. All right, y'all. Everything we do is pretty much repetition. Thought that was a thing to do, to put your toilet paper on there. Everything we do is the same thing at every house. Spray it down. And scrub and wipe. So Liza's doing the rest of the windows. She's doing the inside. I took out the windows for her and the window track. And then I'm just gonna do these bathrooms. We gotta do one last final sweep. And then the outside of the windows, and we got a few little things on the hardwood we got to fix, like some scratches. Just got to mask them up just to make them look like they're not there. So I'll show you all that. All right, so I already got my cleaner in there. So now we just clean her up, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. don't think it works. A lot of cleaners always forget to get inside of the overflow. They get a lot of mildew buildup in there, and they just like refuse to get in there for some reason. Don't know what it is. Forgot to get a towel. All right, y'all, so this is the second bathroom. Looks pretty terrible. Gotta see what we're working with. It's a bunch of pits. So this is like super damaged. Nothing really gonna, all of it. I can feel all the pits. So nothing's really gonna work for this, but I'm gonna clean it. It's gonna probably look the same, not gonna lie. What this comes from, a couple things. Never cleaning, because soap scum, just lime and rust and all that other stuff that comes down from the top. Just dirt, it eats up at this, and people don't understand that. You gotta clean regularly. Also, the other thing that can damage this is cleaning with the wrong products. So, few things there. So that's just off the top. You gotta kind of know what you're doing. I mean, not really. I mean, you only got a few choices at the store, but you still gotta, you know, you can't go ahead and throw, I don't know, you know, the wrong product on there. It'll just eat. It'll eat out whatever is on. So let's see what I can do. And then what I'll do is I'll show you the other bathroom. The other bathroom's done. I'm just trying to make my way. I still got to do the hardwood. And that's it really. So we got the hardwood. Oh, after we're done with that, we just got to go outside and do like one part of the window. That's it, hella easy. And we've been here for 4 hours. Not bad. 1,600 square feet. All right, y'all, so now I'm just mopping the floor using my new bucket. I like this because if you see, the cleaning product is on the left and it's secluded from the dirty water. Your typical spin mops, what they do is they have the clean water mixed with the dirty water, and then you just got dirty water. Shoot. So I spent a little bit of extra bread on something nice. All right, y'all, so here is the kitchen. You guys can see that floor came out pretty nicely. I'm happy with it. Liza's doing a flat mop on the rest of it. We just wanted to do this floor. This floor is pretty dirty. Next step, we are, sorry, Bill. Next step, we are doing this. So what we're gonna have to do is make it look like it's a knot. So kind of like one of those. So I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. All right, y'all, I think I got it, man. I had to make some changes. So when you look at it super close, you can kind of see what I did. But if you look at it from afar, it just looks like a little knot. Kind of like what these look like, except these are a little different color. They got a little bit more brown on them, but if you look at this one, you see how it got hella colors in it? That's what I was going for, but of course it's hard for me to mimic it, but you can kind of see what we're working with. Let me clear this up real quick and then I'll show you from afar. All right, so take a look. Even Liza was saying she didn't know if it was this one or this one, because they're pretty similar. But we only know because we could see it, because we know which one it is. But like, let's just say you over here, you know, look at these, look how dark they are. And if you're over here, you can't even, you don't know the difference. So that's basically what we try to do. We just try to make it look like it belongs. It's DWES for life. All right, y'all. So for this particular hardwood, in that corner or area, basically where that big spot on the wall is, there's a bunch of scratches on the floor from a mat. You know how like they have those office mats, the plastic ones, and they got the like little spikes? She said it was from that. So what we did was put our refinish over it and kind of tried to blend it in so it's not like super shiny. I think it looks pretty similar because we kind of stop right there. There's like no transition point. It just keeps going into the next room. And here's that spot. You can't even tell, y'all. I'm telling you. So that is that. She wanted us to clean the wall, but we're not wall washing because we'd have to wash the entire wall, and that's just a little much. But we got inside and outside of the cabinets, inside of the appliances here. Appliances looking good. Did the floors, did the inside, outside of the windows. Here's from this side. The bathroom. It's looking good. This is what this looks like after. I scrubbed and scrubbed it. That's about all I can get on it. Did the windows, the blinds, inside, outside of the windows. Same thing here, inside, outside of the windows. Here's this here. Of course, the toilet. This looks the same. Terrible. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Terrible. But it is what it is. That's all I can do.